I took a quick break and went to the supermarket. I will do a quick haul with you. I got containers to store food in. I got bell peppers. These are organic fresh dates, so it's date coconut rolls. Then I got rice, vinegar. I got, this is beet juice, but it also has carrot, beet, apple, banana, orange, pineapple, lemon, and turmeric. And then I got my favorite protein shakes. These are from Koya, and it is plant-based protein. It's a brown rice protein, pea protein, and chickpea protein. So very, very good. I put a shot of my espresso in here, so that's what I have in the mornings. I got 4 packs of these guys. This is a lemon pepper tuna, already ready to go. I toss these into one of these. It's a Caesar salad chopped kit, but it already comes chopped with all the dressing. Of course, it would be ideal to buy my own lettuce, make my own dressing, but for time's sake, since I'm usually always at my desk, this is quick and easy. These are like my 3 spices that I love to use. So we have paprika, turmeric, and cumin that I use with almost everything. I got some ginger, so we can make ginger shots as well. That's a quick grocery haul. I just realized I forgot to get lentils to make lentils, but that is fine, because I'll just make a salad to hold me over, and then maybe we'll go and get more lentils later. But that was my grocery haul. I'm gonna get back to work, and I will check in later in the day.